What do you say, being Mahi's best friend in Khuda Aur Mohabbat? And so, when you got that script for Khuda Aur Mohabbat, what compelled you to agree to playing Rida?
I think Wajahat Bhai
Huh.
really compelled me. I met him and I saw his body of work. And you know what really gets me going? It's when a director knows exactly what he wants.
Right.
For me, that's like एक immediate मेरे अंदर एक bulb चल जाता है जिसके
हाँ.
अंदर I know that I want to be around someone of that vision.
Right.
So someone who's a visionary is so important to any project that ever happens, because when a person knows what they want, they can really वो इतनी बड़ी छाल मार सकते हैं कि वो excellence की तरफ जाएं, because they dared to dream that big.
And they did.
And he did.
And he
He
did.
is someone who dared to dream that big, and
Yeah.
I think he did it. Especially when I was on set, मैं देख रही होती थी कि एक तो I was completely in awe of all the stars around me.
हाँ.
You know, Hina Appa, Rubina Appa, Sunita Marshall, Ikra. I think these are all powerhouse
Absolutely,
actors.
yeah.
And they're all performers. They're not selfish at all in terms of, you know, how they perform or how they आपको किस तरह से लेके चलते हैं. It
बिल्कुल.
was an ensemble that way.
हाँ.
So like you're saying, I didn't feel like Mahi's best friend. I felt like a character. I felt like a fully realized, fully developed character who had a story of her own, who had an arc of her own. And because that's how Wajahat Bhai explained it to me.
Yeah.
And that's how the script was written.
Yeah.
It was such a ensemble-led project for me that I didn't think about what really my character entailed. I do care about that, but I mostly signed this project because
You know where I'm going with this.
Yeah, I know
with
where
this
you're going
question.
with
You
this,
know, you
yeah.
know where I'm going with this. इसलिए कि जब हमने शुरू की वो एपिसोड्स देखी, जब फरहाद पीछे जाता है माही के, और उसकी दोस्त आती है अपने हनीमून से वापस, और वो यही कहती है कि मेरा कसूर है, मैंने मतलब you led him on, हमने क्यों ऐसे किया? When you were reading the script, did you actually feel that way? Did you agree with that? कि फरहाद was led on to the extent कि वो उसके पीछे बहावलपुर चला जाएगा और उसके पीछे वो जोगी हो जाएगा या मर जाएगा. Did you feel that that was because मेरी और हसन, my colleague, and we review it every week, हमारी बहुत डिस्कशन हुई कि यार ठीक है, उसने दोस्ती ज़रूर की थी, मगर उसने ऐसा कोई इश्क का वादा तो नहीं किया था, ना ही कोई इतना लीड ऑन भी नहीं किया था, तो उसकी इतनी बड़ी सज़ा.
अब वो तो obviously I always have you know some कुछ मेरे scripts के साथ हमेशा होते हैं setbacks जो कि मैं हमेशा admit करती हूँ कि हैं. In this case, actually, I did not read the entirety of the script before I signed on to this, but I did read it after I was signed on. So I actually did pose this question to Ajad Bhai.
And that's fine. I don't want to
Yeah.
grill you as
No, no, of
be
course, of
answerable as an
course.
actor,
Yeah, yeah.
because you get a script and you have to perform the character. But as a woman and as a thinking artist, how do you feel about that entire narrative?
I think that काफी हद तक तो क्रिएटिव एजेंसी और उस तरह की वो चीज़ों में आ जाता है. Creative liberties, I was trying to say. I think with a show that's like, I mean, it's not like, this is not like a reality based or
Yeah.
like a very naturalist
Yeah. It's fiction.
kind of a show. It's fiction.
I
and
actually
it's-
call
it's
it
very-
fantasy fiction.
Yeah, me too
Yeah.
actually. Me too. I would actually categorize it as fantasy fiction और जो हमारे ही हाँ एक genre है. Not exactly, this isn't exactly a musical, so it's more towards like a filmy
Yeah,
kind of
absolutely.
Yeah, it's filmy genre में ही आता है. So it's a lot like any Sanjay Leela Bhansali film that you may have seen. So again, he takes a lot of liberties also. जिस तरह की उनका filmmaking style है. And a lot of times, a lot of things don't make sense with that kind of cinema and that kind of storytelling.
And Do you feel that's okay? People need to be okay with it.
I think that, yeah, I think to a certain extent I am okay with it because, I've been living through this. So I think that, but as a script writer, I would definitely not, as a script writer, I would not approve of a script like
You wouldn't, right? You
where
would raise a question.
I would
okay.
raise a question at least, or I would try to add something to it that that justifies this action more.
Yeah.
What Farhad did.
Exactly. And would you call Farhad the stalker?
Yeah, I would.
You would.
Borderline stalker.
Yeah, right. मुझे बहुत था कि जब वो पहली दफा उसको कहती है कि तुम nothing, जब वो छोड़ने जा रहा होता है, and she says no, there's no love, go back, दफना दो मुझे और हर ख्याल को. He should have gone back at that time. जब एक दफा उसने उसको shut up call rejection दे दी है.
मैं आपको लेकिन बताऊँ आमना कि I've actually met boys like this. I've actually met boys like this who are who are A, tone deaf, B, don't take no for an answer, and have also seen so many Indian films
that they feel like उनके अंदर का आमिर खान जो है वो.
No, they're just deluded. They're just deluded. I know that हम with खुदा और मोहब्बत we're trying to put a heroic spin to a character
but then,
like
that's
this.
exactly what I was going to say. फिर वो हीरो तो नहीं होते ना फिर.
हाँ, रियल लाइफ में वो हीरो नहीं होते हैं.
उनको चित्तर पड़ते हैं गली में.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल उनको चित्तर ही पड़ते हैं. But yeah, I do agree that this behavior is a little problematic. But I have met characters like this.
You have.
Yeah.
Mehrbano, how do you deal with problematic characters in the television and entertainment industry? Because ये बहुत prevail करता है. बहुत ज़्यादा harassment भी prevail करती है. Casting couch भी prevail करता है. Nobody talks about it.
Yeah.
अभी तक I've interviewed a lot of senior actors, female actors. वो ये कहते हैं कि है हमारे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ. But you're somebody who's actually admitted कि हुआ है. You've gone on record to say कि हुआ है. I was listening to one of your older interviews and you didn't name obviously anybody, but you did say कि ये होता है. Yep. Is it getting better or is it getting worse? Is there any kind of control on the production set now कि अगर आप harass हो रहे हो, is there somebody to go to कि आप anonymity के एक safety के अंदर आप कर सको complain, या ऐसा कोई नहीं है culture?
ऐसा कोई कल्चर नहीं है.
नहीं.
अगर ऐसा कल्चर होता तो फिर ये जो सेक्सुअल अब्यूज और वर्कप्लेस हरासमेंट का कल्चर है, दैट would have the other kind of culture would have countered this culture. But the fact that this is being kept so hush hush and it isn't talked about ever is the biggest problem. और ये होता तब है जब women cannot speak for themselves because they feel like their job or their livelihood might be threatened.
And it is.
It is true.
It does get threatened.
It is true. And I've seen this happen to so many other women because I am a perceptive person and I have been on set since I was very young. And if I say so myself, it took me a long time to figure out that I was even being harassed at workplace, because आपको नहीं समझ आता है, especially when you're so young and you're thrown into this. And with me, I was very, very protected because I had Sarmad and he's like my mentor and he's always there for me. But as I grew older, कुछ recurring चीजें होती थी that I didn't really understand. And they don't really have to be physical harassment, mind you. Harassment can be anything if it makes you feel uncomfortable. Bilkul. It can be something that someone says. The only onus here is that the person who is harassing you needs to be at a higher position than you. Hierarchy में उनको ऊपर होना पड़ता है, तभी एक पावर डायनामिक बनता है जिसके अंदर एक इंसान कमजोर होता है, एक इंसान ताकतवर होता है. और जो ताकतवर इंसान है अगर एक इंसान को हरास करता है तो जो कमजोर इंसान होता है उसको चुप करना होता है, क्योंकि उसको लगता है जैसे उसकी जॉब थ्रेटन हो रही है या उसका लाइवलीहुड थ्रेटन हो रहा है या उसकी बात कोई मानेगा नहीं.
Yeah, it's okay. ये होता है.
हाँ, ये होता है. And because it happens in front of everyone, no one bats an eyelid, और लोग देखी अनदेखी कर देते हैं. So it's always, these are very tricky waters to tread with, you know. You can't expect anyone to stand up for you.